Did you know that Epsom salt could be the key to better sleep, less pain, and more energy? Most people ignore it, but this simple mineral can make a huge difference in your health. Today, I'll show you 10 powerful ways Epsom salt can improve your body and how to use it the right way. 1. Relieves muscle and joint pain. Tired of aching muscles and stiff joints? A warm Epsom salt bath helps relax your body, ease pain, and improve flexibility, perfect after a long day. 2. Reduces swelling and puffiness. If your feet or hands feel swollen, Epsom salt draws out excess fluid and reduces discomfort. Soak in warm water or apply a cold compress for quick relief. 3. Detoxes your body and boosts energy. Feeling sluggish? Epsom salt helps flush out toxins and leaves you feeling lighter and more refreshed. 4. Improves sleep and eases stress. Struggling with restless nights? The magnesium in Epsom salt calms your nervous system and helps you fall asleep faster and deeper. 5. Boosts circulation and heart health. Cold hands? Tired legs? Epsom salt improves blood flow, helping you feel more energized and alert. 6. Soothes nerve pain and discomfort. Suffering from nerve pain or tingling? An Epsom salt soak can calm irritated nerves and ease discomfort naturally. 7. Smooths skin and fights aging. Want softer, younger-looking skin? Use Epsom salt as a gentle scrub to remove dead skin, boost collagen, and reduce puffiness. 8. Relieves bloating and improves digestion. Feeling bloated? A small dose of food-grade Epsom salt can relieve constipation and improve digestion. Follow package instructions. 9. Strengthens bones and reduces fall risk. Magnesium helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones strong and balanced. 10. Supports immunity and fights infections. A warm Epsom salt bath can help your immune system fight off colds and infections. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or tea tree oil for an extra boost. How to use it. For muscle relief, 2 cups in a warm bath, soak for 15 to 20 minutes. For swelling, 1 cup in a foot soak, 15 minutes. For digestion, use only food-grade Epsom salt and follow the label. Always choose high-quality Epsom salt, use in moderation, and check with your doctor if you have health conditions. Epsom salt is a simple, natural way to feel better every day. Pick one benefit and try it this week. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.